Del, help me open this goddamn thing.
Hey, watch. Necklace. That's a locust symbol.
Yeah, I saw.
And if given a choice, it's not so bad.
Or that. She choose that.
I get that. Then you know what to do, right?
Right?
Hey, whoa. It's me.
Yeah, I just want to find that damn Kadar lab.
Right. Well, we just gotta access data from the command console. You ready?
Figures. Console's not working.
Huh. There is power in here. Could be a blown fuse or something. Just need to access the circuit panel.
Jack, see if that vent gets us anywhere.
Good job, Jack.
Let's get Jack connected to the console. Get in there, Jack.
Unauthorized access. Security protocol initiated. Error. Security protocol inoperable.
Huh. Security system's on the fritz.
Let's just check the transmission data before it locks us out. So, we scanned for a transmission that matches the one we found at New Hope.
Yep, that's it.
No dice. Not what we're looking for. Shit. Another bust. Got a signal match. Northwest. It's another tower. So can we use that data to find the lab?
Not yet. We're gonna need that other tower to complete the trace. So what do you think? Should we update Marcus?
I'll hail him from the skiff. Let's just get out of here. Get in there, Jack. Turrets. Weird amount of security for a comm tower, isn't it?
I don't know. You're asking me like I work here.
Think we can get out this way. one tower down.
Yep, so time to find the other one.
Sure you don't regret coming along?
What? Are you kidding? I'm doing everything I love. Skipping, freezing my ass off.
So, I have a question. Foz, has he always been like that?
Always. Gotta be the toughest. Gotta be the fastest. Gotta be the strongest.
But not the smartest?
In that area, and that area alone, Foz has got a realistic view of himself.
Guess we're sliding down. I keep thinking about Niles. Those experiments.
And do you know what the average person would do if they found out the little we already know?
Probably why every first minister's covered it up.
Even Anya. She was literally the most honest person I've ever known.
So what do we do? Who do we tell?
Maybe no one. What would be the point? The people behind all this are dead.
So, do what Anya did. Nothing.
I'm ready to go.
Look, inside that ice break! Assault derricks!
Okay, let's check this out.
You know, Uncle fought in Hollowstorm. Said these derricks launched you underground like a missile. According to him, there were some lost lunches involved. Anyway. What are we looking for here?
Remember that engineer's note? If we find the grind lift cooling tech, I can wire it into Jack.
Right. Sounds good. Found some weapons over here. Got a grind lift here.
Shit! Swarm!
Yeah, like clockwork. Hold him off! Got ya.
Just what I need!
One less.
And now pouncers! Of course! Why not?
Gotcha! Clear.
Finally. Now let's see what's in this grind lift.
It's some kind of part.
Hold up. That's from a grind lift cooling system. Remember those engineering notes? We find more of this tech, we can upgrade Jack. Jack's excited. Kate, feel it? She feels it. I could tell.
All right, grab anything else you need before we head back to the skiff.
Huh?
So, we're eventually gonna find this lab, right?
Nothing wrong with the scenic route. At least when you're finding good stuff along the way.
Look! Another crashed Condor!
Okay, feeling lucky?
Oh, sure. We're on a roll now. All right, rest of the wreck must be through here. Del, unopened drop pods. Why did it attack us? It's not corrupted.
It must have lost connection to command. It doesn't see us as cops. Come on, Rex farther down.
There, more DBs!
Hey, at least they're not rejects! Look out! We got strikers too!
Got you! Another one! Got you!
Target acquired.
Target's down!
Hey, DR1! Okay, should be all of them.
Then let's search this thing.
No, not all of them, not all of them!
Really? A Kestrel?
Yeah, it would have been nice if Marcus mentioned that! You know the drill! Shoot the engine! Coming down! Look out, look out! Oh, that was nostalgic.
Tell me about it. Now let's search this damn wreck. At least the Kestrel was kind enough to punch us a way out. Jack, can you get this open? This looks elaborate. Any idea what it is?
Yeah, some kind of signal amplifier. Wait, Jack can use that. It's got a bipolar junction transistor.
If only they all did, right?
See, you think you're being funny, but Jack's stem just got a serious boost. It'll make us strong, like really strong. You know what I keep thinking about? That first day we walked into your village.
I thought my mom was gonna kill you both.
You were the first person there to accept us. I always appreciated that.
Well, I was starving for new faces.
Hard to believe all that led us to this.
And there's no one I'd rather be doing this with.
You drive. I'll navigate.
There it is. The other comm tower. More assault derricks, beyond the trees.
Okay, one more cooling system part to go.
Let's get this done. Let's head up here.